What's going on, guys? Today it's me, UltraMegaCraft. Today we're going to be playing Fossils and Archaeology, aka Jurassic Kingdom. In today's episode, we're going to be hatching a lot, and I mean like a lot of dinosaurs today. First of all, we're going to be hatching a whole bunch of these aquatic dinosaurs. And also, him, yeah, he'll work. That one too. That dinosaur too. We're going to be hatching a lot of dinosaurs in this video. We've also been making the T-Rex enclosure bigger. And this is the new enclosure. Black Dragon has been making it, but I'm going to change it real quick. And also I gotta fix that one. But right now, we're going to hatch a lot of dinosaurs. So let's just get all of this. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So we're just going to do like a quick hatch of all of them. Oh. That's not good. A few of them just killed each other. Hooray, that's amazing. So. Survival of the fittest, I'm guessing? Okay, which one's killed it? Okay, that guy's still alive. That one's still alive. What is this light green one? Okay, you're that one, so I'm gonna start with a T. Okay, so a lot of dinosaurs just decided to kill themselves. Not that one, not that one, not that one. Not that one, not that one. No, I did not have a backup dinosaur. Great. This one was hatched, this one. Yeah, we have that one. Yeah, we basically just killed a whole bunch of dinosaurs. Yeah, yeah, okay. So that's not good. So now we know that. So let's go hatch the Plesiosaurus. We also started to add some bubble dispensers. There's the Plesiosaurus. Let's just hatch it now. Oh, great. So, our first one is a female, 76 days old. Wow, that's old. And you are a male. Let's go. And you are a carnivore, so do I have a feeder in here? No, he fed himself. I'm not gonna go fish. So now we have a new dinosaur in the enclosure. Well, 4 now. 2 of them just died, so gotta get some more DNA. See if we get lucky. I'm also gonna wait till I get some fish. Okay. He just ate it. You want this one too? Yeah. I don't know why that cow is living in there, but yeah, he just lives there now. Come on, we just need one more fish. Yes. Anyone wants it? Okay, you do, you little one. You are not. Okay, I'm not. I don't have the patience for fishing. I'm gonna go get some fish from the chest. We probably have some remaining. Somewhere, probably. We also did have a new enclosure right there. So I'll show you the dinosaur that's living in there right now. Okay, we got fish. Any more fish? Oh, yeah, we got a lot of fish. So we should be okay. Yep, we should be full now. I just need to eat like 2 more fish, so yeah. That's pretty good. Okay, I can put all this stuff away. Keep that, and also give me a whip, and that's pretty much it. So we're also going to be hatching another Dilophosaurus, but first, before it becomes night, let's show you the new dinosaurs we have here. We did unfortunately hatch them. I thought the video was going, but no. It was for a different video, and then I realized it wasn't working, so I just gave up on the video. So these guys, I don't know how to pronounce their name, but there are 2 of them, a male and a female. I gave them a bubble dispenser and a feeder, so they should be able to eat food. So, yeah, pretty much that's it. Actually, that's what we hatched. So we're probably going to sleep, and then we'll hatch the other dinosaurs on Site B. Okay. We're going to hatch 2 more dinosaurs here, then we have to go to Site B and hatch the other dinosaurs. So we are going to need to... First of all, let's go check on the turtle. We have to add the waterfall area, so... Not alligator guard, him. Not surgeon, him. Finally. 41 days, God. Yeah, these dinosaurs are getting old. Okay. Okay, a little bit of a lag, but we gotta move this enclosure. We just gotta get rid of it, honestly. Yeah. Can I ride him? No, this spine will probably not let me ride him. So we just need to inject a... Where is it? Looking on the map right here. Not this one. Where's the sheep? There was like a sheep here. Found the sheep. Oh, it's camouflaged. Now we need you to hatch this guy. Perfect. We have a dodo. It is a female. Okay. Yeah, it's a lovable flyless bird. I'm not gonna read any of this personally, honestly. No, I do not have the patience to do this. We're gonna be here a while. But yeah, the dinosaurs are doing good. Their feeders in pretty good shape. Probably put that seed in there. And the mammoth is doing great. So there's gonna be a few dinosaurs living here, but honestly, we have a lot of time. That guy's gonna hatch in a while. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys the changes we have done. So in the Ceratosaurus enclosure, I did add some signs of dinosaurs in here that need to be updated. Yep, the Ceratosaurus and the dinosaurs are living together, but there's also another dinosaur in here. Usually in here, but we just gotta find him. There it is, the copy. We decided to move the copy in here due to that enclosure being too small, and honestly, he was not being shown at all in most of the videos. Like, he was being a forgotten dinosaur, so we decided to move him in here. Well, I did. So, yeah, there's 4 dinosaurs living in here, and that's probably the maximum that can fit in here. The Sarcosuchus skeleton's doing good, and the Liopleurodon's doing amazing, swimming all the time. The Dilophosaurus... Yeah, that's how we make him escape. We're also... Yeah, there's 2 more enclosures that's gonna come to the park. Yeah, I need that. So the some Mylodon dinosaur will be living in here. I just grabbed some TNT and blew some stuff up, and yeah, here we have it. And also, we have yeah, I got a bone, so let's put you to follow. We have the pterodactyl dinosaur. the small one. Doesn't grow that big, but it's a good sized dinosaur. We also did melt some glass, so melt some sand to get glass. So we can finish the rest of the enclosure. It's gonna have a huge dome enclosure, so it should be happy. And if we completely finish the enclosure, we could possibly hatch it this video, so this episode. Please tell me you have enough. Oh, we definitely have enough. And now we're going to look around the enclosure, find if there's any holes, anywhere it could escape. Nope. Looks like a good enough area for it. Okay. We also did give the Dilophosaurus a name. Black Dragon wants to name him. He decided to name him Venom Viper. I'm not a fan of the name, but sure, he did name him, and he did make the enclosure. Like, out of all the enclosures, he put the most amount of... Okay, I don't think we can fit through this place anymore. We gotta go up here. Like, he did put the most amount of work into this one enclosure. Like, it looks really nice, honestly. Out of all the enclosures, this is like one of the nicer ones. But I think like the most nicest enclosure we have made will probably be the Ceratosaurus enclosure. It has the most carnivores in one area, and also took me a long time to make the enclosure. So yeah, pretty much that's... Yeah, you cannot escape, probably. We are going to be checking other dinosaurs in this video, showing you how they are doing. First things first, we'll go check how much longer we have to wait. There's a sheep. Oh, we got so much time. We're probably going to show you... I don't think we have enough time to hatch a dinosaur, so no. The mammoth... The Triceratops is actually doing really well. The Pachycephalosaurus is doing good. Yes, I know. In fact, I do not know. We did move the copy out of this enclosure, so we're gonna probably take this down and do something with it. The bigger versions of raptors are doing... Yeah, you can just roam around, I don't really mind. They are, in fact, doing fine. Why is Queen the only one alive still? The other two have gone missing, pretty much. Yeah, honestly, these dinosaurs have gone missing. I've been mining, and I've only been able to find Queen, like... Yeah, the other dinosaurs have just gone missing in this enclosure. Like, we've lost 2 of them. There were 3, now there's only 1 left. Queen. Yeah, I don't know why you keep escaping. You just eat all the leaves, buddy. But, yeah. I do not know where the other those bigger raptors have gone. Yeah, at this point he just lives out there. He just does not care. The dinosaurs are doing good. This horse truly sucks at speed. But honestly, we're probably going to be moving him in here now. Yep, this horse is going to be living in here now. Whatever this thing is zebra. Yeah, all the dinosaurs are doing well. They're finally using that area. Like, that thing is slow compared to the Gallimimus. Like, honestly, this guy's the second fastest dinosaur we have here. Okay, we cannot escape. Yep, here we go. Our way out. Okay. This guy just like glides through everything. Yeah, we can't reach through there, but we can come up here. Oh, we just made it. Okay, good. We're in the 90s. Gallimimus is really fat. Oh, is that... Yep, that's the dodo. Like, I'm not making him live in here. I think we need to get more snow. Or remove the snow, put dirt back here, and make an Ice Age area for the other Ice Age dinosaurs. But we're just going to wait till this dinosaur hatches. We are at 99. Yes! Let's go, he's mine. It's a female. This thing looks cool. And then we finally have another dinosaur to this collection. We're going to probably put this Gallimimus back into its enclosure. Yeah, and then we're going to hatch the last two dinosaurs that we have gotten. Okay. Oh yeah, so just like 3 more dinosaurs. So the dinosaurs we're probably going to be hatching first will probably be the Dilophosaurus. That is the better option to hatch. I think the culture vet. The next dinosaur we're going to be hatching next will be probably these two. And also this guy. Just these 3 overall. And also another copy probably. Like honestly, there's only one copy. We probably need to make another one. And we have so many Allosauruses, 6. Which is crazy. And now we've made it to the Dilophosaurus enclosure. And now we're going to put the egg down. And now we're going to wait. If you guys are enjoying this series, please leave a like. Show you guys' support on this series. Because this is actually one of my favorite series like I've made. Like honestly, it's pretty fun. And if you guys are enjoying the How to Train Your Dragon series, please leave a like on those videos. And we are going to be continuing that storyline. And I think we should just go swim with our Lipleurodon, honestly. He's been in here kind of bored. Ah, I just right click. So if I just right click up, he goes up. No, I think it's just if you look up, honestly, this happens. He's a really, really fast dinosaur. As long as you don't take damage, you should be fine. If he does take a little bit of damage, I'm breaking that water. It's just like a lily thing, so yeah. I like I put 2 doors, but they're right next to each other, so hopefully this is not a female, because if it's a female, they're gonna breed like crazy. And if it is a female, I have to move it out, because I do not honestly want an entire pack of Dilophosaurus living in this enclosure. Like, only 2 at a maximum, and also this guy takes a lot of space. Huh. Yeah, pretty much. And now we're here at 99. And it has in fact hatched. I did not get any meat, did I? Nope. I just gonna do a quick and easy punch to a chicken. Good job, Dilophosaurus. Venom Viper, another one. Good job. Another one. Good job. Where's the new little tiny baby at? It is a female. No! We have to move you. I'll wait till you get a little older and we probably make another enclosure. You taking any damage? Good, you should be fine. Okay, so when that Dilophosaurus gets older, we have to move it out because we do not want a whole pack of them. It would be cool to have a whole pack of them, but honestly, no. I'm also thinking of moving a dinosaur into here. Like, this area looks perfect for a dinosaur. Let's hatch the, pterodon. Is it pterodon? Yeah, pterodon egg. I need to put a feeder in here, but this is just like the main idea of the enclosure. I'll have a lot of moving area. And yeah, it's pretty much good. I'm gonna go get a sheep and put in this Amylodon enclosure, so then a Amylodon can hatch, so yeah. We have got the sheep, and now the pterodon has in fact hatched, so let's give him its food. Where are you? You are right. No, that's not. That's the piglin. Oh, here you are, buddy. You eat fish, so. How much more food do you need? He's eaten everything. Okay. So I need to get some more fish. I think we don't have time to hatch a Amylodon, but let's go quickly. We can probably just like put the DNA in and then run, sleep, and pretty much it. Got it. And we go to sleep. And then we can check on it in the morning. I don't like the... Yeah, we gotta put that right back in its place. We can just do that. It looks a lot better. Yeah, basically that pillar just lives there now. Is he sleeping? Yeah, I think it is. I think she is sleeping. Honestly, I do need a Silk Touch pickaxe so I can use it on glass, so it'll be way easier to... Good, we finally fall asleep now. I don't have a shield on me, so... Yeah. I was like looking on the map trying to look for it, so I wasn't actually paying attention to what was right in front of me. Oh, these guys do not grow fast at all. Honestly, we have to fix that enclosure and also move these guys to side B. Because that's what we've been doing. We've moved him out of the enclosure. Also the birds, like... Those bird dancers, I've completely forgot about them. We gotta check on them probably. You're the older one, man. 62 days old. That's really old. Where's the little baby one at? Oh, there it is. There she is. So we have to move her out of this enclosure or somewhere. Because I do not want them to breed, like, a lot. Because my first series, before I started filming them, I had 2 Ceratosauruses. Oh god, we're gonna be here forever. And they both breed like crazy, and I had over 18 Ceratosaurus. That world got deleted, corrupted, and also, yeah, when I tried going to those worlds, they just never let me, so, yeah. We're gonna go fishing in the dock, feed him, yeah, wait for it to hatch. So we are up to 77%, and we're still catching fish, so, yeah. Salmon. We've made it to 99% finally, and now we should have a Smilodon. Hey there, buddy. Oh, he kills them. Well, that's cool. Whoa. It's a male Smilodon. Knife tooth. What are you doing? That's your mother. That is honestly awesome. So now we have a Smilodon, aka Saber-tooth tiger. Yeah. And we've also got the Pteranodon. So a whole bunch of dinosaurs are being hatched. And still I have not got a Scarab Gem to get the T-Rex, so yeah. I think he likes this area. We were checking on him earlier. On her earlier. Toothless wing. Huh, toothless. We have been checking on her like a lot, and she just stays in that one corner. So we're gonna check on every single dinosaur we hatch this video. Yep, the Dilophosaurus female, which we definitely need to move out of this enclosure. Let's check the other ones. We have got the Dodo. He only has 5 HP. And also we've got the new dinosaur. I'm not gonna even pronounce this guy's name. It's a girl, her name. Let's check the other dinosaurs. The aquatic dinosaurs that we hatched. Yeah, they're not gonna grow that big, are they? Okay, this guy's like fully grown already. But these two just haven't grown yet. Let's see any more other dinosaurs we've hatched this video. Those guys were already hatched in a long time ago. Oh yeah, the Plesiosaurus. We're gonna go check on that after we sleep. We have come to the Plesiosaurus enclosure, and now you're the older one, right? Or are you the younger one? You're the oldest one, and I believe I've seen the younger one. Yep. I believe you're the female, or are you a male? You're a male, and the other one is a male too. They look similar, or is this a female? Female! Oh great, they're gonna breed. Well, but I don't really mind. This enclosure can actually have like around like 4 different plesiosaurus due to this having way more room. But honestly, I do think we should move these guys. There was like some type of like dinosaur cage that is used to transport dinosaurs easily. So we're probably going to be using that to move some of the dinosaurs away, like out of the enclosure. So like cage, small cage, yeah. Sticks and iron. Oh, we can try and make that, see if it works. Okay. How are we supposed to do this, though? Let's just test it out real quick, if it works. Okay. Let's get these two. Where's the little plesiosaurus? Yep, found it. Does it work? No, it does not. Can I work on a fully grown one? No, I think I just wasted materials to make this. Okay, we're probably going to need to check the recipe book again. Because I do not think this is the right thing to make. Okay, here. Is it like maybe that? I already know. I'm not sure what I'm searching up for. Searching for exactly. Okay. Okay, what's this? Poison potato essence. Why would I want these? How do you get this? Yeah, okay, this is a dinosaur section, so there should be a few dinosaur things in here. So if we look carefully enough. Okay, this area should be it, possibly. Okay, the bones are up here. Okay, here we are, I think. Yes, how do you get a scarp gem? Oh, I might over 1,000 of these. Which one gives me the highest rarity? Yeah, at this point, there's like no way I'm going to be able to get this, am I? Pottery shard. That's really what it's been used for. Well, but I think that's going to be it for the day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.